Hello everyone, it is Tropics WX here with another video. This video is for the Southwest Indian Ocean Cyclone season 2025-26 season, and we have a update on our system, Horacio. Uh, this storm has kind of struggled to strengthen up to this strength, severe tropical storm. So yeah, but we have severe tropical storm Horacio. And as we speak, let's get everything that we know. Horacio is located 340 kilometers, 832 miles east northeast of Reunion. It has winds of 60 miles per hour to and sustained. Severe tropical storm on meteorological France agency scale. It is moving west southwest at 12 miles per hour or 19 kilometers per hour. Pressure at 990. Pressure is at 990. I messed up on version I'm currently from. Center location is 17.9 south, 68.1 east. Of course, no threat to land. From the last video we had on it, it did, but no threat to land this time. It will be a tropical storm, or no, tropical cyclone, intense tropical cyclone for what is 23rd, and then it will weaken down to a tropical cyclone, weaken to a severe tropical storm, weaken again to a moderate tropical storm. I believe that is, if I'm correct, that is a tropical disturbance. Let's look. I believe that might be a tropical disturbance. Let's see. Let's see really quickly. Yeah, that is a tropical disturbance or called tropical depression as well. So yeah, with that being said, of course, this does not pose a light to frighten. So I'm go early. Say that no no islands no areas are infected by this. And yeah, with that being said, this is Trevor Tropics WX signing out. Stay safe everyone and goodbye.